Okay, students. Now in continuation with the LC oscillation circuit, we have to do one last heading related to LC circuit. Energy. Prove that the total energy of LC circuit is a constant. Okay. The LC circuit, no, which we studied, C and L. C is fully charged and L is getting the current supply from C, and this way they alternatively become the supplier of charge. We have to prove that at any time the energy of the circuit remains constant. How to prove it? Let's start. Since there are two components in this circuit, so let us solve the energy of both the components. L की एनर्जी का फॉर्मूला होता है हाफ ऑफ एल आई स्क्वायर और C की एनर्जी का फॉर्मूला होता है हाफ ऑफ सी वी स्क्वायर or q square by 2c also. Now why I am taking q square by 2c? Because I am going to apply the q equation here. Okay, so both the equations should be either in q term or I term. So we have already proved that the charge equation for LC circuit is q equal to q0 cos omega t. This we can apply here, and let us make I also, which we can put here. So let us make I by differentiating. So I equal to minus dq by dt formula for LC circuit. Minus d by dt, q equation is q0 cos omega t. Let us differentiate it. We have earlier also done differentiation, but this is the final equation of charge, so this will be easier. q0 cos का differentiation होता है minus sin theta. So minus minus will become plus, sin omega t coming, and 1 omega will be multiplied, which is a constant. Okay, now q and I equation we will put here. Okay, half of L I square plus 1 by 2c q equation square. Okay, I equation is here, q equation is here. Now let us do squaring. So q0 square will come from both the sides. So q0 square is separated by 2 is also in both the equations. Here L alone, omega square, sin square. Here C alone, q0 square by 2 separate, cos square theta. Now we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta can become 1 if the terms which are there that are taken common. Okay, how can we achieve it? By replacing this omega square. How? Here we are getting C and here we are getting L omega square. So if I replace omega square as 1 by LC, so L is already there, it will become only 1 by C. So here also 1 by C will come, here also 1 by C will come. q0 square by 2 is already a constant. So finally, let us write it completely. Now q0 square is common, 2 is common, C is common in both the sides. Taken common, in the bracket sin square plus cos square omega t, it is 1 by its property, only q0 square by 2c is remaining. So that is a constant. Okay, so this way we can prove that energy of LC circuit is constant.